Hi, I'm Rebecca Johnson, and this is a Duke Workday. The CoLab is a group of makerspaces around campus, so we have 3 locations, one in Wilson Residence Hall, one in the Ruby Arts Center, and our main location here in the TEC building. The CoLab has access to resources like 3D printers, laser cutters, shop-bought machines. As a program coordinator, I do the planning and scheduling for our Roots workshops, which is our series of free technology workshops that can teach you how to use all of those machines. I also handle our outreach for the CoLab as well, so that goes into event planning as well as tabling. So today I will be helping lead a Roots workshop on how to engrave a tumbler, and we also will be hosting an event for an AI group on campus who will be laser engraving some keychains. I'm coming up on about 2 years here at Duke. I've always been a very creative person. When I saw this job pop up online, it just seemed like the perfect balance of me loving to plan things and me loving to be creative. It's really an unbeatable feeling, especially when people come back and they've taken a workshop from me before and they're like, look, I learned how to make it on my own. So it's a very rewarding experience. This really is a space for everyone. There is something here for everybody who walks in that door, whether that be that you're interested in making a candle or you really want a 3D print. There's so much here that can be offered to everybody on campus.